In this video, we showed how to place a drive carrier in a PowerEdge R570. Before working inside your system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. To remove a drive, press the release button and then pull out on the latch, and then using the latch, slide it out of the system. To remove the carrier from the drive, remove the 4 Torx screws. Then remove the drive from the carrier. To install a drive to the carrier, align the drive with the carrier and replace the 4 T6 screws. To install a drive, align it with the system and slide it all the way in until fully seated, and then close the latch to secure it in place. For more information or assistance about the PowerEdge R570, visit dell.com/support.